quick because, you know, time. Listen to music while I do this, and I don't want no copyright, so no copyright strike for me. So this is real wealth, y'all. My system crashed today. I'ma still eat, okay? I can still eat because I know how to grow. Friend, she sent me these months ago, but I'm just now getting to use them. It's like 100 pack of garden starter nursery pots. Bag of dirt is so heavy. Open up the dirt. And then I'm gonna put a bag down so I don't make a mess. Get started. About 3 seeds in here, just because all of them might not pop up. They might not pop through. If you know, you know. Every seed does not make it. So we're gonna take 3 of these and we're gonna pop them into here. And then I'm gonna label them so I don't forget. So while in there, $10, y'all. I need to go to Amazon. Get your seeds, no excuses. Okay, that's more than 3. But we gonna put it in there anyway. Look at that. You see that? So some people like to take a pen or anything pointy. Take this like this. Take her like that. If you had a pencil, that would be better. Put in like 3 or 4 holes. Like that. And I'm just gonna drop them in. Like that. Cover it back up. And I'll be right back because I actually have to find a marker. Be right back. Okay, y'all, so I can't find my markers. So we're gonna improvise with a pen. Not the best option, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So this was the Thai basil, right? Yes, this was the Thai basil. Just gonna stick her right in there and she's done. There's one more step, but I'll show y'all later. Moving on. Actually, stick her right in there. See how perfect she fits? Literally perfect. So cute. Alright, basil on the way. Got basil on the way. Basil on the way. Next, let's do cilantro. Everybody needs cilantro. Everybody loves cilantro. So, right here it says cilantro needs full sun, light shade, and hot regions. Texas, hot, very hot. Zone 7, I think it is, or zone 8. I think it's zone 7. Anywho, it says plant 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep. Space the seeds every 4 to 6 inches. And it says it's gonna take 14 to 21 days to germinate. Now, that's not always true because Texas, we get a lot of sun, okay? And things grow fast here, so we shall see. We shall see. Dates to maturity, 50 days. So we'll be able to eat this in a little over a month and 2 weeks. This can grow to be anywhere from 12 to 24 inches. Not gonna happen in this pot. If I wanted to grow that big, I would have to. Actually, it might grow that. It might grow pretty tall. Take that back. But I want mine big and bushy, so when it gets a little older, mature, like the teenage age, I'm gonna switch it to a larger pot so it has more room to grow. Okay? So, let's get started again. I'll do the same process. I'll drill or dig 3 holes like that. Once again, you really don't have to do that. You can literally just throw the seeds in and cover it with dirt and then water it. But, you know, this way is a little fancier. Got the natural sunlight. Too bad y'all can't hear my music because YouTube like the copyright, you know? These seeds are huge. Look at this. See that? I'll show you. I only need 3 of these. Take them, drop them in those holes you made. That's 1. Just gonna cover them up. And we're just repeating the steps that we did for the last one. Cilantro. Not perfect, but it's gonna do until I can find my permanent markers or go buy some more. She's done. Slide her home over here. Boom. Look at that natural light. This looks so good in the natural light. And now we're gonna move on to the others because I changed my mind and now I want to plant all of them because why not? Why not? So we got 8 nursery pots, 8 of them, 8 of them babies. Know the drill, we're gonna fill them up and we're gonna load them up. Fill them up, load them up. Be back. We have our 8 trays, they're ready to go. So we're gonna keep those steps together. Dig our holes, and we're gonna drop our seeds. And then we're gonna move on to the last and final step. I'm gonna do this real quick because, you know, time. So I'm not going that deep in these pots. I'm probably going to about, probably going to about, let's say, a third of the way. A fourth of the way. Really shallow. I'm not putting them all. I'm not putting my seeds all the way at the bottom of the pot. That's very important. Put them all the way at the bottom of the pot, they might never come up because the sun cannot penetrate the bottom of the pot. And we all know plants grow with what? Water and sun. Water and sun. So if either one of those ain't at the right, the perfect condition that it needs to be, nothing's gonna grow. Okay? So make sure you know that. Keep them shallow. Be very shallow. Unless it's a seed that requires deep sowing. But that's rare if you're beginning. Alright, so we're gonna start with chives, green onions. We'll do the same thing. We're gonna get 3 of these. Drop them. Just 3. 4 if you feel a little frisky. 4. Alright, come on. Next up, thyme. I don't know why these packets playing with me today. I don't know why they want to play with me. Why they want to play with me? Trying to open it, baby. That's it. That's all. Oh my god, look, ain't nothing in here. It is there. Alright. Oh. Not that many. Got some all there. So since there's so many. Cover up those holes, pat it down, like so, like that. Another one of the Mickey Mouse. Alright. Boom. Dill. Now I never cooked with dill, but I see a lot of recipes require dill, so this should be fun to use. I'm about to just start doing this because it's stressing me out. Oh my god, these seeds are humongous. Look at these colossal seeds. Dinosaur seeds. Look at that. Compared to that cilantro, these are freaking huge. I mean, compared to thyme, these are huge. bottom is still dry, which is perfect. Top is moist. It's gonna go down in there. That water's gonna get in there with those seeds. The sun's gonna hit it. Boom, you're gonna get growth. Stay tuned and watch these grow with me. I will keep y'all updated on the progress of these plants. Hey, if you made it this far in the video, I want to thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.